Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to level up fast in a Duolingo account or Duolingo app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, for anybody who is very new to Duolingo app and are trying to learn new languages, but simply when they have just chosen one of the languages, they feel like they were really good at it and they want to level up fast, and I'll teach you how to do this. So you can see on my screen that I am already logged in. I'm on my home page. I'm learning some Hindi languages over here. I have just leveled up faster by going to this checkpoint over. You can see I've just scrolled it down and it gets to checkpoint 1. And simply after completing all of my tests, I have just opened all of the letters, 1 letters, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters, 5, earned 5 of the crowns. So it was really fast to do this. So I'm done with the checkpoint 1. So I'm going to do and show you how to do it with the checkpoint 2. Alright, so tap on it. I can see if I want to complete this challenge, I can tap on start. So simply I can go for a test out of 8 skills. I'm going to tap on let's go. So you can see it's being loaded and I'm going to give my this very test. I'll show you one of these how to do. And then tap on done if you're okay with it. So going to the very end, alright. So you can see that I've just completed it and tap on continue. A shortcut has been completed. That means I have earned 50 of the streaks on a checkpoint XP. That means I have just leveled up faster. And then I'm going to tap on continue option just like this. So guys, you can see that simply after going for a checkpoint, I have just unlocked 2 of the very new options just below checkpoint for numbers and questions. That means I'll just level up faster. So this is how you do it. This is how you get into the checkpoint, give you preferred test and pass on it, and give you best and just earn lots of crowns as well. You can see that my 5 crowns has been changed to 13 one. That means I've earned 8 of the more crowns. So this is how you do it. This is how you level up faster in a Duolingo account or app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.